Hey, today we're taking a look at an ATC office trailer that we built for CAL FIRE in Southern California. And if you're in the commercial space and you're looking for an emergency response or office style trailer, check this trailer out. You're not going to want to miss it. CAL FIRE came to us with a need for their aviation unit in San Diego County, and they needed an emergency response, quick action trailer that they could take up Jeep trails and off-road trails and deploy it as helicopters and planes are coming in and dropping fire retardant on some of the fires. So this was a great solution here. We took ATC's off-the-shelf 28-foot office trailer with a front conference room and we converted it specifically for their needs. Now this trailer is very similar to the 28-foot office trailer from ATC with a front conference room, but we modified it working through ATC's engineered solutions. And we removed the exterior compartment, we removed some of the other features, for example, the bathroom on the inside that comes standard, and we replaced it with just simply storage and a toolbox that we'll take a look at here in a moment. But the exterior is very similar. The empty trailer weight is 6,400 pounds, empty, entirely aluminum frame. All of those things you can know and expect from ATC in terms of quality and precision manufacturing. One of the challenges that CAL FIRE presented to us is they needed some windows, a viewing area in the very front of the trailer. And when we put viewing windows in, we needed to be able to protect those windows when you're driving down the road so you don't have rocks and road debris popping up and breaking the windows. We also couldn't have a top hinge window covering, like a concession window, if you can imagine that, because that would block the view of being able to see helicopters when they fly in. So we devised a bottom hinge. We're going to show you how that turned out here as I open up these windows. So here's what this looks like in the down position. We have these bolts that actually connect, and you can screw these in to the side of the trailer at the bottom to keep these open, because obviously you have rotor wash from helicopters as they're flying in and perhaps landing near you. So there had to be a way that we had to devise to keep these folded in the open position so they don't flap around. But I think it turned out great with plexiglass and 3-side viewing. Moving to the inside of the trailer, we've got multiple workstations with Formica countertops. We could change these countertops out to brushed aluminum, for example, or stainless steel. There are different materials that are available, but these are really nice. You've got workstations set up with windows, with day-night shades as well that you can pull down if you wanted to keep the light from the outside coming to the inside, as well as nice cabinetry throughout the trailer. One thing we talked about CAL FIRE with is in an emergency response situation, they need areas throughout the trailer to be able to write, for example, on a whiteboard to keep track of where a search area is or keep track of their logistics. And the entire interior of the trailer is white aluminum walls, aluminum ceiling. You can use this entire area as a whiteboard. So you'll see here, you can write anywhere. Sometimes you'll even use the ceiling to write on at CAL FIRE. So you can write on here, it wipes right off. You don't need a designated whiteboard area. You just use the inside of the trailer. Now there's a folded over sleeper sofa that's sitting here in the down position, and you can push this just up against the wall. It stows away just like this. The nice thing is that you can actually remove this sleeper sofa from the wall. If you didn't want it in here, it's just clipped into airline track that's on the wall. So you can remove the clips and just take this completely out. But it's really nice to have a little bit of seating for the guys with the 3 workstations that you have. So you've got nice workspace, seating area here. And moving forward, you've got a little kitchenette area. So microwave, refrigerator, as well as a drawer system for tools and whatnot. So this front area here is usually a bathroom on the traditional 28-foot conference room trailer from ATC, but here we replaced that, and they quite frankly didn't want to deal with the tanks that come with the bathroom packages. So you've got nice storage here. There's a closet, overhead cabinets as well. So the front conference room is separated from a pocket door, which is really nice because you can have some separation here. And coming to the front of this trailer, you've got a separate zone workstation. Now again, the whole purpose here is to be able to see out and see helicopters. You can have multiple people in this area, I would say probably 3 comfortably. And it is temperature controlled with a heater underneath this desk here, as well as an air conditioner, receptacles and plugs, for laptops, and setting up at a emergency response or to watch the helicopters come in. So it's perfectly set up for that. We also ran cabling for some aftermarket radio systems that CAL FIRE is going to put in. So we did that at the factory. CAL FIRE gave us the product numbers and links to where to get it. So we sourced it, ATC installed it, and it'll be all ready for them to install aftermarket. So now when it comes to procurement, CAL FIRE asked us if we had the ability to put this trailer on a Sourcewell contract, and we do. So if you have specific procurement requirements, and if you're a local municipality, Sourcewell might be a great way for you to purchase the trailer, and we can get that handled for you. We also have the ability to put this on a GSA schedule, so just reach out to us. Chances are in a custom trailer like this, you might be dealing with me personally. I'm happy to work through that with you. When it comes to custom ordering, just reach out to us. There's a lot of dealers out there that will say that they know what they're doing, but they really botch up the process when it comes to blueprints and revisions and whatnot. We are very well versed in custom ordering. Our people at all 3 of our branches in California, Colorado, Texas are very skilled at ordering custom projects like this, and chances are, like I mentioned, you might be dealing with me directly. So reach out to us. The trailers come out of the same place. We can ship nationwide. We've got very competitive rates, and we're happy to help you with your custom project. And if you like what you've seen here, like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more of this content to come.